Hello dear student, how do you do? I hope you are well. I also am. Today I appear with English for today for class 7. Dear student, let's enjoy our class. Thank you. Look at the slide. What can you see in the picture? Dear student, I think you can see the picture what I discussed today. Yes, I will discuss about the shellfish. Our lesson, the shellfish giant 4. Learning outcomes, ask and answer question written. Enjoy the story, make sentences with the word. At first, I will discuss some keywords. Dear student, can you answer this word? Axe means a tool typically used for chopping wood. Next one, fight. Fighter means a fight or an excess. Knockdown. Knockdown means knock the thing down. Okay, dear student, go to the section A and continue reading the story. The giant felt sorry as he looked down. How selfish I have been, he said to himself. The giant felt sorry as he looked out. দৈত্যটি বাইরে তাকিয়ে দুঃখ অনুভব করছিল. How selfish I have been, he said to himself. সে নিজে নিজে বলতে লাগলো, আমি কত স্বার্থপর ছিলাম. Now I know why the spring would not come here. আমি এখন জানি কেন বসন্ত এতদিন আসেনি. So he quickly went out into the garden. তাই সে দ্রুত বাগানের ভিতর গিয়েছিল. But when the children saw him, they were so frightened that they all ran away. And the garden became winter again. কিন্তু ছেলেমেয়েরা যখন তাকে দেখছিল তারা এত ভয় পেয়েছিল যে তারা দৌড়ে পালিয়ে গিয়েছিল এবং তখন বাগানে আবার হঠাৎ শীত এলো. Only the little boy did not run, for his eyes were so full of tears that he did not see the giant coming. শুধু ছোট বালকটি চোখে এত অশ্রু ছিল যে সে দৈত্যটিকে আসতে দেখতে পারেনি. The giant quietly came behind him, took him gently in his hand, and put him up into the tree. দৈত্যটি নীরবে তার পেছনে এলো. সে আলতোভাবে তাকে হাতে নিয়ে গাছে উঠিয়ে দিয়েছিল. And the tree at once broke into blossom, and the birds came and sang on it. তখনই গাছে ফুল ফুটেছিল এবং পাখিরা এলো এবং এটার উপরে গান গেয়েছিল। The little boy stretched out his two arms, flung them round the giant's neck and kissed him. ছোট বালকটি তার বাহু বাড়িয়ে দিল, দৈত্যর ঘাড়ের চারদিকে তাদের ছড়িয়ে দিয়েছিল এবং তাকে চুমু খেয়েছিল। The other children saw this. They saw that the giant was not weak any longer. শিশুরা দেখল যে দৈত্যটি আর দুষ্ট ছিল না। So they came running back. তাই তারা দৌড়ে ফিরে এলো। And with them came the spring. তারপর তাদের সাথে বসন্ত ফিরে এলো। It's your garden now, little children, said the giant. ছোট শিশুরা, এটা এখন তোমাদের বাগান, দৈত্যটি বলল। Then he took a great axe and knocked the wall down. তারপর সে একটি বড় কুটা নিয়েছিল এবং দেয়ালটিকে আঘাত করে ভূমিসাৎ করল। And the people passing by found the giant playing with the children in the most beautiful garden in the country. এবং পাশ দিয়ে যাওয়া লোকজন দেখল এ দেশের সবচেয়ে সুন্দর বাগানে দৈত্যটি শিশুদের সাথে খেলছে। Can you answer this question? Why did the giant feel sorry? Okay, I'll show you answer. Please note down. The giant felt sorry because he realized that he had been very selfish. Second question. When did the garden became winter again? The garden became winter again when the children ran away seeing the giant. Third question. Why did not the little boy run away? The little boy did not run away because he could not see the giant coming. Can you answer this question? Okay. What happened when the giant put the little boy up into the tree? Answer to the question number 4. When the giant put the little boy up into the tree at once broke into blossom and the birds came and sang on it. Question number 5. Why did the other children think that the giant was no longer weak? Answer to the question number 5. Because they saw that the giant behaved very friendly with the little boy. Answer number 6. What happened when the children came back into the garden? Answer to the question number 6. When the children came back into the garden, the spring came again with them. I'll give you homework. Please note down. Write a same story by your own words at your home. No more today. Student, no more today. See you again next class. Thank you all. Goodbye.